of the level 8 backpack. I've had this for several years. I've used it a couple of times. It's the only backpack that they have in their line. It has the minimal level 8 symbol right there. It has this really sturdy cord, like pretty tough, but this part of it is really soft, so you will not get into an issue of this breaking anytime soon. The front, as you can see, it could stand on its own, which is what I love about it. Has two side pockets, has a top pocket here, a zipper big compartment pocket here, another pocket here, and a laptop section in the back. Has this strap that you could pass as a luggage pass through, but also down here there's a luggage pass through. The shoulder straps are very ergonomic in just the way it's shaped, and they have these to have carabiners. You can immediately see that it does not have a chest strap or a hip belt. So we'll get to that in a little bit. Back to the front. Well, let's go to the side. A zippable water pocket here. Expandable, same on both sides. Pretty generous space. And when not in use, you could zip it up. I also put my external charger here. In the front, this very first pocket, the zippers are all very smooth. Pretty deep storage here. Has a mesh pouch, strap, pin, and a additional pocket right here for organization. So pretty generous space. The bag is not lacking of storage at all. Here is your top pocket, which you can put your sunglasses, but as you can see, my hand goes pretty deep in there, so you can put more than sunglasses in here, but it's a pretty generous and deep storage. In the main compartment, I don't like that it's black and it's pretty stiff. There's a zipper right here and it's mesh, and then in here, this is the space. It does have like a foldable to help keep stuff standing up. It has like a little flap in the inside. And here for an additional, I put my books and stuff in here, because on the other side where the laptop goes, there's also an iPad, but you could put your iPad here, but you also have another option in the back. Now this is where level 8 thought that this would be a great bag, is because the laptop says that you don't have to take your laptop out because it lays flat when you're going through TSA. But every time I've used it, I've been told to take it out. So you do have a not padded section here. So I don't know if you want to put your iPad here. You could put your iPad in the main compartment, but you can also put notebooks in here. The laptop section is heavily padded. This is where they shine. This backpack, you don't have to worry about your laptop getting scratch buff. It is very padded. And there's a false bottom right here. So it goes all the way down to about here. Things I love about this backpack. I love that even if I have to take it out, I don't have to go in the main compartment to get my laptop out. And you don't even have to open it that wide. You just open it this much and you could get your laptop out. And the extra Velcro makes it so that it's pretty secure. It won't fall out. You can take your laptop out. I love that. The padding in the back is very thick and it bleeds right here. But also because it's so thick, I think this bag was made for men because it does poke into my back. So one of the cons about it. Shoulder strap also I think was made for men. There's no chest strap. There's no waist hip belt. So if you pack this bag down, it would hurt if you're a woman. For me anyway, it hurt my shoulder. I love the carabiners that you could hook for additional items. You can buy chest straps that you can hook right here, but I didn't. The strap is very long. So as a pretty average size woman, when I use it, I have all of this and it just dangles. What do you do with this? What are the holes for? I could never figure it out. So there's a lot of dangling. I love the storage. I love how sturdy this is. I love the compartments. I love the feel of the bag. The material is very good. This is waterproof. I think it's waterproof. I thought it was because I have been in the rain with it and nothing got wet. The storage in here, pretty generous because I always put a packing cube when I'm traveling with a change of clothes and it just goes in straight down. But then once you put the packing cube, you're already using a ton of space because then you could just put your toiletry bag right about top here. If you put anything on the inside of this, it does eats up from that space. But with all the organization that they have in the front, you don't have to use that much space on the inside. And this space doesn't necessarily share space with this main compartment because it's just the top right here. So great bag, just not made for me. And the bag itself is pretty lightweight, but the only thing I had issues were the straps and not having a way to make it tighter on my shoulder. Make a make a bag with a strap and a hip belt while you're at it. So great bag. If you're thinking about purchasing it for business travel, I would say yes. Just make sure you have pretty good shoulder and back. All right, so that's my review of the Level 8 Atlas backpack. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for the next video. And I will see you on the other side. Bye-bye.